Welcome to the healing paradigm.
This episode is brought to you by Life Extension. Let's dive in. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing imperfections that make you feel anything but confident. Now imagine feeling those insecurities every time you undress. It can be tough to love your body when it's covered in bumps, bruises, and blemishes. But what if there was a way to treat them from the inside out? Enter BPC-157, a peptide that could revolutionize the way we heal our bodies and love the skin we're in. When you think of peptides, you may picture anti-aging creams and serums, but BPC-157 isn't your typical peptide. It's a naturally occurring substance found in our own gastric juice, a compound our bodies already recognize and respond to. But what really sets BPC-157 apart is its incredible healing potential. In this video, we dived deep into what BPC-157 is and how it can help heal our guts and skin naturally. We also debunked some of the myths surrounding this powerful compound and discussed the latest research on its benefits and potential side effects. So stay tuned, because we're about to embark on a journey to discover the secrets of BPC-157 and how it can transform the way we heal and care for our bodies. But first, let's take a moment to understand what BPC-157 actually is. BPC-157 stands for Body Protection Compound 157. It's a sequence of 15 amino acids that our bodies naturally produce in small amounts. However, when isolated and concentrated, it exhibits remarkable healing properties. One of the most exciting aspects of BPC-157 is its ability to stimulate tissue regeneration. This means that it can help repair damaged tissues and organs, potentially leading to faster healing times and reduced scarring. Another impressive benefit of BPC-157 is its ability to accelerate wound healing, whether it's cuts, scrapes, or more serious wounds. This peptide may promote faster healing and minimize the appearance of scars. BPC-157 also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a wide range of health problems, including gut inflammation, arthritis, and even skin conditions like eczema. By reducing inflammation, BPC-157 may help alleviate symptoms of these conditions and promote overall healing. Now, let's turn our attention to the gut. The gut is a complex and essential organ that plays a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. When the gut lining is damaged, it can lead to a range of unpleasant symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Leaky gut syndrome, a condition in which the gut lining becomes overly permeable, has also been linked to autoimmune disorders and other health problems. Fortunately, BPC-157 may offer relief for those suffering from gut-related issues. Studies have shown that BPC-157 can help heal ulcers, soothe irritated gut lining, and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. It also stimulates the production of mucus and bicarbonate, which are essential for protecting the gut lining from digestive acids and enzymes. These effects may help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and other gut-related conditions. For those looking for natural ways to support their gut health, BPC-157 could be a game changer. But the benefits of BPC-157 don't stop at the gut. This versatile peptide also plays a significant role in skin health. The skin is the largest organ in the body and serves as a protective barrier against the environment. However, it's also prone to damage from sun exposure, stress, and aging. As a result, maintaining healthy skin is essential for overall well-being. BPC-157 has shown promise in treating various skin conditions, including wound healing, dermatitis, and eczema. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness, irritation, and itching associated with these conditions. Additionally, BPC-157 may also improve the appearance of scars, making them less noticeable and more aligned. Moreover, BPC-157 holds particular importance for individuals with hidradenitis suppurativa. It's an inflammatory skin condition that causes painful nodules and abscesses. Studies suggest that BPC-157 could help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life for those dealing with this challenging condition. By promoting tissue regeneration and reducing inflammation, BPC-157 may pave the way for more effective treatments for various skin disorders. But the potential applications of BPC-157 go beyond the gut and the skin. This remarkable peptide has also shown promise in healing muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Injuries to these tissues can be debilitating and slow to heal, but BPC-157 may offer a solution. Studies have found that BPC-157 can accelerate the healing process, reduce inflammation, and improve functional outcomes in injured muscles and tendons. For athletes and active individuals, this could mean faster recovery times and reduced risk of injury. Surgeons are also exploring the use of BPC-157K in wound healing and preventing complications such as infection and delayed healing. The peptide has natural antibacterial properties may also contribute to its efficacy in promoting faster healing and reducing the need for antibiotics. As research on BPC-157 continues, we may uncover even more uses for this versatile compound. One promising area of study involves the use of BPC-157 in combination with other therapies to enhance their effectiveness. For example, BPC-157 has been shown to enhance the therapeutic effects of corticosteroids in treating inflammatory bowel disease. This finding could lead to new treatment options for gut-related disorders, allowing patients to achieve remission with lower doses of medication. Another exciting development is the use of BPC-157 in conjunction with probiotics to improve gut health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can support digestive health and boost the immune system. Research suggests that BPC-157 and probiotics may work synergistically to promote healing and restore balance in the gut microbiome. This approach could lead to innovative solutions for gut-related problems, paving the way for a healthier future. While the research on BPC-157 is promising, it's important to note that more studies are needed to fully understand its benefits and potential risks. Many of the studies conducted so far have been on animals, so it's unclear whether the same effects apply to humans. Additionally, BPC-157 is not currently approved by the FDA for any therapeutic uses. Despite these limitations, the potential benefits of BPC-157 are too significant to ignore. With its remarkable healing properties, BPC-157 could revolutionize the way we treat gut-related disorders, skin conditions, and injuries. As research progresses, we may unlock new and innovative ways to harness the power of this remarkable peptide for the benefit of patients and athletes alike. So, what are the potential side effects of using BPC-157? While BPC-157 is generally well tolerated, some mild side effects have been reported, especially with higher doses or improper administration. These side effects typically occur at the injection site and may include pain, redness, and swelling. In rare cases, BPC-157 has also been associated with nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. However, it's important to note that these side effects are usually temporary and subside on their own. It's crucial to remember that BPC-157 should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and administration method, as well as monitor for any potential side effects or interactions with other medications. Additionally, it's important to ensure that BPC-157 is obtained from a reputable source to avoid contamination or misuse. As with any medical treatment, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits and risks of using BPC-157. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating BPC-157 into their treatment plans. They can assess individual circumstances and provide personalized guidance based on the specific condition being treated and the patient's overall health. If you want to learn more about incorporating BPC-157 into your health and wellness routine, consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider. They can guide you through the process, address any concerns, and help you determine the appropriate dosage and administration method. Additionally, your healthcare provider can monitor your progress and make adjustments to your treatment plan as needed. Do you and T hesitate to ask questions and be open with your healthcare provider about your goals and any concerns you may have regarding BPC-157? Remember, knowledge is power, and making informed decisions about your health is crucial for a better quality of life. Hopefully, this video answered some of your questions about BPC-157. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, please share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn about this amazing compound. Until next time, stay curious and prioritize your health.